Hi everyone, my name is Thinesh, and together with my co-founders Ethan and Harsh, we are shaping the future of wholesale procurement for restaurant operators. I'm sure many of you know who this is, and for those who don't, it's Gordon Ramsay. And this is the stress one of the top restaurateurs in the world has when it comes to running a restaurant and managing a kitchen. Now, think about the countless number of smaller, independent restaurant owners with less resources and experience. With the boom in online ordering in the recent years, millions of restaurant operators like Nobel had to invest both time and money in setting up digital infrastructures. This has pushed restaurants to adopt digital solutions at an unprecedented level globally. And now, with the ongoing rise in food costs and raw materials, restaurants are always looking for ways to minimize costs on their inventory. Since starting this journey 2 months ago, the one question we kept getting was, why isn't there an online directory of suppliers, catalogs, or pricing that we can openly and easily refer to? Why? And so, that is what we sought out to build. Made Goodie, a one-stop wholesale marketplace for restaurant owners and chefs. Our value proposition for restaurants is to provide them with a simple, easy-to-use wholesale ordering platform that is competitively and transparently priced, allowing restaurants to easily meet MOQs by combining items across categories. We achieve this by striking commercial partnerships with our suppliers. Digitization in this industry has been slow. The first internet-based POS machine was launched in 1986, and only in the recent years have we really seen a boom thanks to the rise of online food ordering platforms. Now, the same shift is happening in procurement, and companies like Cheetah and Choco are pioneering this space. So just how big is the market? A mid-sized restaurant in Singapore spends about $60,000 a year on average on supplies alone. We have over 5,000 such restaurants that fit our profile. Assuming we capture a 40% market share and serve restaurants 40% of their wholesale supplies, we're looking at $48 million in GMV in one city. Our target is to replicate this across 20 cities, giving us an obtainable market size of about $960 million. Since our beta launch in March as a supplier communications app, we have gone on to quickly test an in-house marketplace, listing beverages directly for sale on the Goodie App. To date, in the last 2 months, we have facilitated over $20,000 worth of orders and sold $3,000 worth of beverages. We are currently in talks with 2 distributors to come on board as our packaging and dry goods supplier to extend our range of internal catalog and wallet share. Our roadmap for the next 18 months is to accelerate acquisition in Singapore while ramping up our supplier partnerships to include more products requested by our customers. Together with that, we will also pilot version 1 of our app in Malaysia and Thailand and start aggregating important restaurant data and building out our network of local distributors and farmers. Our team is made up of Harsh, Ethan, and myself. Harsh is a full-stack developer with a master's from NUS. Ethan is a logistics expert, coming from a family-owned logistics company, having managed a fleet of over 100 vehicles. And finally, myself. I'm experienced in growth and running customer acquisition campaigns, and have been involved at my family-owned restaurant since I was young. We are currently raising our seed round to ramp up product development, building out our in-house catalog for non-perishables, and to launch a pilot into Malaysia and Thailand. I'd like to invite all potential investors and strategic food services partners to join us in building the inevitable future of how restaurants will procure their business supplies. Thank you.